Copilot Autofix is now available for free for open source. GitHub has long offered code scanning, which detects security vulnerabilities in your pull requests and alerts you. To fix the bug, you will then go back to your code editor, make changes, and push again to check if the security alert has been resolved. Now, with Copilot Autofix, the power of AI combined with code scanning will suggest a fix for the alert inside the pull request. Here, I'm pushing vulnerable code, and Copilot Autofix immediately explains the vulnerability detected, and wow, here's suggested code that I can push straight away or edit first if I want to, directly from my browser. The suggested code removes the security issue automatically, which is bad news for open security alerts. With Copilot Autofix, found means fixed. You can fix alerts as fast as you find them and become 3 times faster. Try it out!